Today we'd like to show you our new dolly glide and slide. So they're the first application for a pickup truck that allows you to store the dollies in a unique, organized fashion and also retrieve them without having the back-breaking motion. As you can see, we're simply going to pull the dollies out. They have their own cam rollers internally inside that allows you to simply pull them out and use gravity to your advantage. Pull them out and have an opportunity to put them back in easy and not have to lift them back up into the bed, put them back into the dolly holder itself. A very simplistic operation that gives you the ability to not have to have a back-breaking procedure every single time you want to utilize the dollies. Now when you're done with the dollies, it's going to be a very, again, easy, fluent motion to just push them back up into the bed and put them in the stowed position. Once they bottom out all the way, you have a rubber strap that you're easily going to push over and hold them so it doesn't have the rattling. And it also has the features for your cross rails, for your pry bar. Everything's already figured out. And I'm proud that we finally have come up with something for our customers to not just let the dollies bang around in the back. One person can take these dolly slide and glides out because we welded the nut on the bottom. So if you come on the top, you don't have to have somebody to help you. You would have to have somebody to help you to put them back in, to hold the plate on the bottom, but that's very easy and should take, less than 5 minutes to get done. We're proud of the lack of rattles that we produced with this unit. Most of the contact is not going to be metal to metal, even on the rails. As you can see on the cross rails as well, they also are aligned with the rubber to help keep the rattle. So one of the things that we really dislike is a rattle trap. So we really try to do what we can to keep the end user not having something that rattles to death, because that is just nothing but frustrating. We hope these dolly slide and glides make your life easier out in the field, and thanks again for watching.